Right, guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the VLC media player, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. This is courtesy of Wiki App 2. So first things, guys, you want to open up the VLC website. You can just search on Google VLC down. Okay, just search download VLC on Google. I'm going to show you just how we can look. Come here, and you see the second website right here. You can click on this, download VLC. Okay, come here on the website. And then what you're gonna do, guys, is basically just come and click on this option right here. Once this loads up, click on download VLC, and it's gonna ask you what you want to download it as. Now it's downloading VLC for Windows. So if it hasn't started automatically, you can just click here for it to start. But for now, guys, I'm gonna show you the next steps once you have actually downloaded it, right? So once you have downloaded the app, what you want to do is it's gonna prompt you to choose your download location. Just choose whatever location you want to download, unless you have automatic download set up like me here, guys. But for me, it has started to automatically download, and it has now downloaded. And after this, guys, what you want to do is, if it doesn't prompt you, you can just skip this step. But if it prompts you, what you want to do is go ahead and find where the download has happened, the location, and you just want to double tap on the VLC media player. You just want to double tap on the setup right here. And then, guys, you're going to be prompted with this option. If you're prompted with this, just click on yes. This will open up the installation menu. And you just want to choose a language that you want. You can choose different languages from the drop down box, and just select the one you want to use for VLC media player, and then just click on OK to proceed, guys. And then next, guys, what you want to do is click on next 3 times. Next, next, next. And this is going to bring you to the installation page. You just want to click on install if you are happy with the file location. Usually it's going to be in the program file, which is perfectly fine. Just click on install, and doing so will install the VLC media player on your computer, guys. And after that installation process done, immediately after installing VLC, you can run it by clicking on this option right here. Just check on run VLC media player box. Make sure this is checked, and then just click on finish. And also, if you want to run this in the future, you can double click on the VLC app icon on the desktop and select it from start. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if it helped, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below if you still have any issues. I will help you out in the comments below. Until next time, guys, make sure